doesn't say. It's a Freeport, Texas. Is a lot of chemicals here. Plants. Chemical plants. Yeah, chemical plants. Freeport. This is Freeport or Lake Jackson? Oh, Lake Jackson, not Freeport. Lake Jackson, Texas. Going to the water. North Angleton.
Oh, Dow is kind of
Dow
taking over down
Chemicals.
here. What are they selling? That's it.
I don't know. They make chemicals, plastic, and something.
Uh-oh. What happened? You're stuck in a road? The truck? Oh, look at the bird. It's in Lake Jackson going to Freeport, Texas. Wow, look at this. A lot of chemicals right here down south. Oyster Creek. A lot of companies.
Yeah, I don't know about this water here though.
It's a train right there. Train.
Yeah, but, yeah.
There's a good chance they use this water for something. Put it back.
Look
Yeah, I
at
think
the
they
water.
recycle it or try to.
There
I
you
mean,
go.
that's a pretty good sized plant there.
Big
That
plants.
Dow also.
Oh, look at this. Wow, it's called Olin. Yeah, we gotta go Buc-ee's. We gotta go to Buc-ee's. Get something to eat.
Yeah. Like grab a few cookies.
Get something to eat. They have breakfast there.
Yeah, I have.
Do they have breakfast there?
Yeah, they have
Oh,
breakfast.
Yeah, they got great tacos.
We'll get tacos. I'm a little hungry.
Tacos at Buc-ee's. Yes. There, the plug is half stuff. What's going on here?
Well, something happened.
Yeah,
What?
Half
the
staff,
plug,
Where?
flag. half
the
staff.
Buc-ee's.
Oh.
American flag.
Well, Labor Day is coming up. Maybe that's why.
Heck,
Oh,
I think you're
Labor
onto it.
Day is coming up here. Bucky's.
So, do you work on Labor Day or do you take it easy on Labor Day? Which
Well, it
one?
depends if I'm out at a job. If I'm working at a job, you don't take off on Labor Day.
Yeah.
Keep on working.
Yeah, we've come
Bucky's
to this
in
Bucky's Club
here.
times. Yeah, we come the other way, that back way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is pretty close. Go party and then lock it, the door. And lock the door. Oh, look at this bag. Kuna Big Wave Liquid Aloha. I don't have your wallet?
Do you have any?
No.
Sure.
No, I didn't bring it. He's gonna get his wallet. Here's the Bucky's. There you go. I'm gonna sign out there. Get a breakfast. Thank you, sweetheart. Breakfast at Bucky's. Register's closed. Me too. Let's get something here. Oh, look at this bead. Braid. Look at this. Filipino kalachi. Kalachi. What is this? Oh, teeter tots, Pete. We need to get the teeter tots. Get some teeter tots.
Going hot?
Uh-huh. Where's San Berredo? Need a cappuccino. And a coffee area. Yeah, look at this. Kids. Bucky's fishing stuff. Nice. Sweetheart. Okay. I'm gonna go to the restroom. Pick up some tater tots and breakfast. Pick up some breakfast, like
Well, baby, I don't know what you want.
you pick what you want.
Well, I don't really want to.
Oh, okay.
I'll just wait for you.
Okay. Restroom. Clean. Clean restroom. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Going to the beach. Clean restroom from Bucky's. Thank you for watching.